Get to know the MOW4. The MOW4 is used to determine the amount of withholding tax for your employer to withhold from your paycheck. To increase the amount withheld from your paycheck, input the number into line 2 of your W-4. To decrease the amount withheld, input a number into line 3. The key to withholding the preferred amount of tax is to update your W-4 forms regularly. Do this at the beginning of every year and whenever you have a major personal life change. In order to avoid an unexpected tax bill or huge tax refund, you will need to adjust your withholdings accordingly. If you withhold too much throughout the year, you can expect a tax refund instead of using that money during the year. If you withhold too little throughout the year, you may have a balance due. If you count on a big tax refund every year, you should pay attention to your withholding amount because the amount you withhold will directly impact your refund. Remember, any adjustments made are for personal planning purposes only and do not affect your overall tax liability. It's important to recognize that every taxpayer has a different financial situation. Therefore, everyone is encouraged to review their federal and state withholdings to ensure that the appropriate amount is being withheld based on your personal situation. It is also important to note that Missouri is a pass-through state. This means that many small businesses will not pay any taxes themselves at the business level. Instead, owners report business income and pay the business tax on their personal tax returns. Therefore, business owners should take this into consideration as they file their personal taxes. How do you know the amount of withholding to enter into your Missouri W-4? The Missouri Department of Revenue has an online tax withholding calculator to simplify the process and to assist you with tax planning and withholding. To begin using the tax calculator, go to dor.mo.gov/business/withhold and click the Withholding Tax Calculator. Select the filing year and choose one of the payment options in which you would like to calculate the withholding. Click Submit. Fill out the following information accordingly and enter your gross wages for the selected period. Remember, enter your gross wages and not your net wages. If you are unsure about your gross taxable wage amount, contact your employer or your payroll department. When you are finished, click Continue. It is important to note that the Department of Revenue does not save or record the information you enter into the tax calculator. Use the results from this calculator to help you complete a new Missouri W-4 and submit to your employer. You may click the link on screen, which will take you to the Forms and Manuals page with the W-form listed. You can also find the form on our website at dor.mo.gov/forms. Type W-4 into the search field and click Search. Click on the Missouri W-4 to take you to the employee's withholding certificate. If you have additional withholding questions, visit the department's website at dor.mo.gov/business/withhold or email withholding@dor.mo.gov.